Attention Bengaluru, with rising tensions around the Indo-Pak conflict, cybercriminals are taking advantage now with phishing, fake news and malicious links. These criminals are using your curiosity to trick you into dangerous situations. Don't be the next victim. Here's what you need to watch out for. You might get messages claiming to offer exclusive updates or leaked footage related to the Indo-Pak conflict, but don't be fooled. These links often lead to fake websites or worse, they can download malware onto your device. Clicking these links could result in your personal data being stolen, and it doesn't stop there. You might also get videos, images, or files titled Army Job Application Form.pdf or Dance of the Hillary and executable file tasksheet.exe. Sounds suspicious, right? Emails are another way these attacks come through. If you get an email from an unknown sender claiming to offer urgent updates or job applications, don't open it. These are classic phishing tactics designed to trick you into revealing your personal information. So, how can you protect yourself? Let's break it down. For WhatsApp and social media, never open unknown files, even if it's from someone you know. Don't forward suspicious content. Just hit delete and move on. Avoid APKs. Only download apps from official stores like the Play Store. Do not click on forwarded links claiming to show conflict updates or sensitive footage. Always be cautious with shared content. Exit, report, and delete suspicious WhatsApp groups. If you come across any unverified or inflammatory content, report and exit immediately. Enhanced WhatsApp security settings. Disable media auto download. Go to WhatsApp settings, storage and data. Disable media auto download for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Enable two-step verification. Make sure your WhatsApp is secured with an extra layer of protection by enabling two-step verification. For email users, don't open emails from unknown senders, especially those with urgent subject lines or attachments related to Indo-Pak conflict. Avoid downloading attachments or clicking on links in unsolicited emails. Be skeptical of unexpected emails. Check the email address carefully. Phishing emails often mimic legitimate organizations. Enable two-factor authentication on all accounts. Secure your accounts with two-factor authentication for added protection. Use updated antivirus software and enable spam filters. Protect your inbox and devices from malicious threats. General cyber hygiene. Be wary of messages or posts claiming to show sensitive or exclusive news. These could be fake news or malware disguised as updates. Regularly backup important data. Store your important files on cloud or external storage to prevent loss in case of an attack. Update antivirus and mobile security software regularly. Stay protected from new threats by keeping your software updated. Avoid sharing unverified content. Verify information through official government websites and handles. Always double-check information before forwarding or reacting. If you've already been a victim of these attacks, don't panic. Call the cybercrime helpline at 1930 or report your issue at cybercrime.gov.in. Your vigilance can help keep India safe. India, together we can beat these cybercriminals. Protect yourself, protect your data, stay alert, stay secure.